Hi viewer, today I want to show you how to create Google Pay account on Android phone. Let's have a look. First, open Play Store. Tap on the search box and type Google Pay. Tap on Google Pay. Google Pay is a simple and secure payment app. You have to install Google Pay on your Android phone. Tap Install. When app installed, tap Open button. Now enter your phone number. That phone number you have linked with bank account. So enter your phone number and tap Next. You have to use one Gmail ID. Select your Gmail address and tap Next. You will receive a verification code in your phone number. Enter the verification code and tap Next. Secure Google Pay. You can use phone screen lock or create Google PIN. Tap on Create Google PIN, then tap Continue. Enter and confirm new PIN. That's it. Your Google Pay account created. Tap Profile icon on top right. Then tap Add a bank account. Select your bank from this list. It will sending SMS for verification, then verifying number with bank, also finding bank accounts. Bank account found. Tap on your bank account number. You have to verify your account by using ATM card. Tap Start. Enter the last 6 digits of your debit or ATM card. You will receive OTP. Enter the OTP and create new UPI PIN. That's it. Bank account linked. Now you can send and receive money by using Google Pay. So these are the steps to create Google Pay account on Android phone. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.